Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best household ammonia is probably one of the most versatile and cost-effective cleaning solutions available, capable of tackling a wide array of household messes from greasy stovetops to streaky windows, making it an indispensable tool for maintaining a sparkling clean home with minimal effort and maximum efficiency, ensuring that your living spaces are not only visually appealing but also hygienically sound. Number 5. Active Skin Repair Healing Hydrogel. Introducing Active Skin Repair, a powerful hydrogel designed for natural and non-toxic healing. It's your go-to solution for a variety of skin irritations. This unique formula harnesses the power of hypochlorous acid to promote rapid recovery. It works naturally with your body to speed up the healing process. Easily treat minor cuts, scrapes, and abrasions with this soothing ointment. Its gentle formulation ensures comfort while it works to repair damaged skin. Don't let rashes or sunburns disrupt your day. This hydrogel provides fast relief and helps your skin recover from irritation and sun exposure. Made with natural and non-toxic ingredients, it's safe for use on various skin concerns. Trust it for your family's first aid needs. This convenient 3-ounce size is perfect for your home first aid kit or on-the-go needs. Keep it handy for any skin emergency. What we like. This is a natural and non-toxic option for skin repair. It utilizes hypochlorous acid for effective healing. If you are looking for a gentle yet powerful solution for minor cuts, scrapes, or rashes, this is an excellent choice for your first aid kit. What people say. It is a clear, quick-drying gel, not a greasy ointment. It doesn't sting, making it great for kids and adults alike. Within 72 hours, my skin looked better and I felt so much more confident. It noticeably sped up healing and reduced redness. It's super easy to apply, doesn't sting, and absorbs fast without leaving any sticky residue. The pain went away almost instantly, the redness gone. Not greasy nor does it sting upon application. Number 4. Hope's Perfect Glass Cleaner. Tired of streaks and smudges? Discover the ultimate solution for a crystal clear shine. Hope's Perfect Glass Cleaner is here to transform your cleaning routine. Achieve a flawless, streak-free finish on all your glass surfaces. Its powerful formula cuts through grime without leaving any residue behind. Enjoy unparalleled clarity with every spray. Breathe easy with our ammonia-free formula. It's tough on dirt but gentle on surfaces and safe for indoor use. You get a powerful clean without harsh chemicals. Perfect for windows, mirrors, shower doors, and even screens. This cleaner tackles dirt and fingerprints on both indoor and outdoor glass. It's the only glass cleaner you'll ever need. Get the perfect size for your needs. Choose from a convenient 32 fluid ounces spray bottle for everyday use or a large 67.6 fluid ounces refill for long-lasting value. Cleaning has never been this easy. What we like. This cleaner is ammonia-free and guarantees a streak-free shine on all your glass surfaces. It's perfect for windows, mirrors, and shower doors. If you dislike the harsh smell of ammonia and want a crystal clear finish without streaks, this is the product for you. What people say. The glass cleaner make my mirrors super clean and streak-free. They look like new after I get done wiping them down. Best window cleaner, no streaks, it does the job. This glass cleaner works really well, will not be disappointed. Number 3. Austin 00051 Clear Ammonia Multipurpose Cleaner. Introducing Austin 00051 Clear Ammonia Multipurpose Cleaner. It's your go-to solution for a variety of cleaning tasks around your home. This powerful cleaner is perfect for your laundry needs and general household chores. Tackle tough messes with ease. It excels at cleaning kitchens, sinks, garbage disposals, and trash cans, leaving them sparkling clean. For best results, use it at full strength. Allow it to sit for a few minutes before rinsing with clear water. This versatile cleaner can even be used on cement floors. It's an effective solution for various surfaces. Achieve a brilliant clean throughout your home. Its multipurpose formula makes cleaning efficient and effective. What we like. This is a powerful multipurpose cleaner for both laundry and general household tasks. It's particularly effective for cleaning kitchens, sinks, and garbage disposals. If you need a strong, reliable cleaner for tough messes and deodorizing, this is a great value option. What people say. This is a great cleaner for my windows and mirrors. I use this ammonia to clean my oven and it works wonders. Number 2. Austin's Lemon Scented Ammonia 64 ounces. Introducing Austin's Lemon Scented Ammonia. It's your go-to solution for tough cleaning jobs, leaving behind a refreshing lemon scent. This powerful formula cuts through grease and grime with ease. You'll be amazed at how effectively it cleans surfaces around your home. Enjoy the invigorating scent of lemon as you clean. It makes tackling chores a more pleasant experience. With a generous 64-ounce size, you'll have plenty of cleaning power on hand. It's perfect for all your household needs. From kitchens to bathrooms, this ammonia is incredibly versatile. It's an essential tool for a sparkling clean home. What we like. Enjoy the cleaning power of ammonia with a pleasant lemon scent. This makes tackling household chores a more enjoyable experience. If you prefer a fresh fragrance while cleaning and need effective grease-cutting abilities, this scented ammonia is a fantastic pick. What people say. This stuff absolutely removed every bit of this 20-year-old goo. It literally stood no chance. As soon as this stuff touched the cover, it was broken down and able to just be wiped off. This ammonia is strong. This Austin's is definitely powerful. A little goes a very long way, so the almost $10 for this jug isn't so off-putting. It may be slightly overpriced. However, it's also made in the US, so that's a big plus for me, and I'll often pay more for made in the US. Number 1. LA's Totally Awesome Clear Ammonia Cleaner. Discover the power of LA's Totally Awesome Clear Ammonia. This 64-ounce bottle offers a versatile cleaning solution for your home. It's designed for a multitude of cleaning tasks. Tackle messes all around your house with this effective formula. This cleaner is safe and effective on various surfaces. Get a brilliant clean without harsh residues. Achieve a streak-free shine on all your surfaces. It leaves your home looking and smelling fresh. Experience the awesome difference. It's the affordable way to keep your home sparkling clean. What we like. This is a highly versatile multipurpose cleaner suitable for a wide range of surfaces. It offers powerful cleaning action for various household needs. If you're seeking a single, effective solution for multiple cleaning challenges around your home, this product is a great all-around performer. What people say. This ammonia works exactly the way it should. It's strong, effective, and cuts through tough grime with no trouble at all. I've had zero issues using it for cleaning floors, bathrooms, and general household jobs. A little goes a long way, and the results are consistently great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.